want to know which is the best learning management system for creating your online course or managing your membership websites? In this video, I am gonna show you the pros, cons, features and benefits of using the Thrive Apprentice learning management system and how it compares to some of its competitors. And, if you stay to the end of this Thrive Apprentice product review video, you will be able to figure out if this product is the right fit for you. So what exactly is Thrive Apprentice? Thrive Apprentice is a learning management system (LMS) that you can use to create, host and sell your online courses, as well as it builds and manages your online membership business websites. So essentially Thrive Apprentice does two things: it's a WordPress membership plugin and also an LMS that is included as a part of the Thrive theme suite of tools. What's the difference between the membership plugin and the LMS? The WordPress membership plugin focuses on offering gated content on your site that limits access to that content. Only subscribers can access the premium content behind those gates. And the LMS is a traditional online course platform that focuses on structuring your content in a module to lesson format and can include quizzes, certificates, and progress tracking. Now that we know the difference between the membership plugin and the LMS, we are gonna take a look at how the plugin works. How does Thrive Apprentice plugin work? After you download the plugin, you would install it similar to how you would install any other WordPress plugin on your website. How much does Thrive Apprentice cost? As of the recording of this video, the cost of this current version of Thrive Apprentice is about $19 US per month. However, with the added features in Thrive Apprentice 4.0, the price is going to increase. If you are interested in getting this software, you can download the current version now and get the benefit of the free upgrade to the newer version when it's released. With the new release of the plugin, the goal, according to Thrive, is to enable course and content creators to sell anything and customize everything. I left a link in the description below this video. How does Thrive Apprentice compare to other membership plugins? Some of the most common alternative membership plugins are MemberMouse, MemberPress and Wishlist Member. Thrive Apprentice can be integrated with any of these plugins, but it's not necessary since Thrive Apprentice has similar to more advanced features. These plugins are used to protect your courses from unauthorized access. Now let's summarize the pros and cons of using Thrive Apprentice. Pros: what makes Thrive Apprentice stand out from these other plugins? Lower price than its competitors. Game-changing drip content delivery. With the precise timing drip features, you can use the drag and drop interface to automate customer access to your lessons, modules, course content, or any digital resources with timed schedules and custom triggers. Increase flexibility with decoupled drip that allows you to create, sell or pre-sell an unlimited number of unique drip schedules per course. There is no need for you to be duplicating courses each time you want to welcome a new intake of students, like the other plugins. Easy integration with a third-party checkout tool of your choice, like WooCommerce, ThriveCart and SendOwl, so you can instantly collect payments for your courses. Includes marketing landing page templates to easily sell your online course. Personalize every visitor's experience with conditional display. You can fully customize your membership site and set your display rules to hide page or blog content until a membership has been purchased and visually edit it all at the same time. Final thoughts about Thrive Apprentice. Thrive Apprentice is certainly a very flexible and powerful membership plugin and LMS. You can use it to set up many different types of membership sites and restrict access to content in multiple ways. Cons: what I don't like about Thrive Apprentice? I can't buy it as a stand-alone plugin. It's part of a suite of tools by Thrive Themes. Thrive Apprentice is a subscription-based product. Thrive Apprentice comes with only 25 licenses, which means you can only use it on 25 websites. You can create as many courses on each of your websites, though Thrive Apprentice can only be used on a WordPress website. It's a WordPress plugin. However, the trade-off of this flexibility and power of this tool is that there are a lot of settings to customize and may be quite a steep learning curve when it comes to using the plugin. The drag and drop makes it much easier than other alternatives on the market, though. You should allow at least a day or two to learn the basics of Thrive Apprentice and the other tools included in the Thrive suite. You can expect to have your website up and running in a weekend. If you're interested in this tool, you can download Thrive Apprentice by clicking the link in the description below this video. That's it for this video.